Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Mary Wilson, and I am joined by attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. How are you?
I'm just fine, thank you, and thank you for inviting me on the show.
Of course. Our first question here comes from Samantha F., and she asks, Attorney Haymond, I was involved in an accident recently, and both of my sons were injured. The police report isn't in yet, but I saw them testing the young lady for drinking, and one of my kids saw her talking on her phone prior to the accident. What effect will that have on my potential case?
Based upon my experience, distracted driving has become a menace on our roadways. The law in Massachusetts, in my opinion, is not significant enough to stop this distracted driving. How do we handle this at the Haymond Law Firm? When we know there's distracted driving, this is a case where we take to trial. Based upon our years of experience, jurors get angry at anybody who causes an injury as a result of a distracted driver. They're going to typically award far more money for the injury than they would under normal, simple negligence circumstances.
Does the first step there involve getting your hands on that police report and gathering evidence that the driver was indeed distracted?
The first thing that we do in every case is get the police report, investigate details of the police report, and of course pursue any avenues that we can discover in the police report, and get statements from witnesses if at all possible, and hire an investigator when necessary.
In this case, it was young people who were possibly driving distracted. We hear a lot about that, but it sounds like in your experience, you're seeing this across the board.
I haven't seen a great distinction between young or old. People feel the need to text, they feel the need to talk on the cell phone, and they forget that they're driving a massive vehicle that can cause catastrophic injuries to other people.
All right, Attorney John Haymond, thank you so much. And if you have a question for the attorney, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or go to haymondlaw.com.